Good afternoon on the Empty Skull Ranch. Here we are. Guess it's no mystery as to what I'm doing right now. Trying to get the old 318 revived using the old Cummins. Let's see if we can get this thing going and perhaps get it a warmer spot within. That way we can peel the bed off, start looking at the frame rails, floorboards, doors, you name it. Alrighty. In the meantime, I had to get the Cummins out here somehow. Look at all this ditch hopping we had to do here. Ooh. These tires and wheels, love it. The Falcon Wild Peak AT3Ws, personal favorite of mine. So that's what I decided to put onto it, along with a 3-inch level, 1 inch in the back with the airbags. So I gotta get this out of here. Figured I'd just show you the new setup. I don't know if you saw it in the background before, but it looks way better sitting on those. I've had AT3Ws on a few of my trucks, and I absolutely love those tires. And these are 0 offset wheels. Not enough to be pretentious, but just enough to be cool. Well, some would say I'm an absolute madman for trying to start this today. I don't know if it's negative digits right now. Well, not negative, single digits right now. But I know it's pretty damn cold outside. So let's see if she's got some pep in her step, so to speak. Pep in her step. Snow-covered boots, scene of misery, absolute horrid, frozen northeast tundra. I hate winter. Well, give her another go. Well, let's put it this way. It's cold enough that the oil in there is a solid mass. So that's not a good sign, but stubbornness prevails. All right, get that snowy foot in there. She wants to live. I think she's getting a little closer. Promising. Sometimes persistence is the key. So let's give it a little bit to juice up, turn the ignition off for a little bit and we'll try again in a couple minutes. That was promising. Close. She just can't wait to die. Decent oil pressure. Looking good. Not looking good. Not looking good. But I'll take it. Let's see if I can snake around it and leave my foot off the gas pedal. Well, here we go. Backing out of its snowy grave. Gotta get that barrel out of the way. Well, I guess I should have checked if we had brakes. Well, here we are. There she is, safe and sound in the building. So let's listen to this old girl purr. Bird bath, very nice. You can see the water hitting it. All in all, it's a pretty good running truck. I think, like I was talking about when the weather was nicer, this is the part where I'm going to start maybe working on this to make it into the creation that it's going to be. So basically, I'm thinking keep it blue. I like the blue because I might go flat black on the 46. So anyhow, get rid of the plow rig on it. I know, it's a snow fighter and all that, but my regular truck plows. So I think I'd kind of like to utilize this as a regular pickup truck. And also, just to keep you guys posted, over in this corner, in the next couple weeks, we are gonna have a 2-post lift coming in. Mrs. Empty Skull was so nice and ordered a surprise while I was at work the other day. So it's gonna be one of those budget, let's see how it is. You know how I'm good for that kind of stuff. But we'll try it out. It's the A+ 2-post 10,000 pound lift. So I've seen mixed reviews, but most of them seem to be pretty decent on it. But what I'm doing in here, picking up stuff like this in my Cummins, this stuff, I really think that it'll do just fine. So this guy, probably what, 5,000 pounds at most. So anyway, coming soon, 2-post lift right in this corner. So anyway, guys, thanks for joining me on this cold start, cold day. And the transformation of this old girl is going to start happening. I do have a new bed for it, so that is going to be going onto it because that bed is beyond help. But anyway, and I promise we will get back to some more gun videos as well. I got a couple I have in mind, plus one if I can get my grubby hands on it. You'll see what that one is. Oh yeah, if and when I do. All right, guys, thanks again. We appreciate it. If you get around to doing it, subscribe to the channel. We'd love to have you around. It's basically, if you're into trucks, tractors, odd things, old things, guns. Did I mention guns? Yes, we do a lot of that around here. Chicken interludes, stuff like that. We'd love to have you around. All right, guys, I appreciate it, and we'll see you next time on the Empty Skull Wrench.